Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout on your Mac. Many Mac users believe it is impossible, but with a few clever approaches, you can enjoy the wasteland. We will explore 3 primary methods: using Apple Boot Camp, setting up a virtual machine like Parallels Desktop, and leveraging the power of cloud gaming. Each option provides a unique experience, so let's dive in and find the best fit for you. First up is Boot Camp, a fantastic option for Intel-based Macs. This method lets you install a full version of Windows directly onto your computer, essentially turning your Mac into a Windows PC when you restart it. You get native performance, which is crucial for graphically intensive games like Fallout. Just ensure you have at least 60 gigabytes of available storage for the Windows installation and the game itself. It offers the best possible gaming experience. Building a strong team is crucial for success. You'll bring 3 active characters into battle, with a 4th as a substitute ready to jump in. Pay close attention to the 6 afflatus types, as they dictate elemental strengths and weaknesses. For instance, Beast is strong against Plant. Exploiting these matchups grants a significant 30% damage bonus. Aim for a balanced composition of damage, healing, and control to overcome diverse challenges. Finally, consider cloud gaming, the most accessible option. Services such as NVIDIA GeForce Now or Xbox Cloud Gaming stream the game directly to your Mac over the internet. This means you do not need a powerful Mac, as all the heavy lifting is done on remote servers. You just need a stable, high-speed internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second, and a compatible controller. It is a fantastic way to play Fallout without any installation or significant hardware requirements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.